Hi fam, welcome back again with my another readings for the Leo. Well, to be honest, here myself, I'm a Leo person. Yeah, the fire sign. Leo, Leo, Leo. Oof. I got a call from one of my aunts. She was just saying that you just don't touch your hair. So I just don't feel like that. I shouldn't be doing that. It's like she didn't like that. Anyway, it's okay. It doesn't matter to me more. Like really, it doesn't matter to me. I'm up with my readings, okay? For the Leo, well, Leo, myself also Leo. I just introduced myself, of course, to you guys. So, well, let's check the energies of the Leo, okay? What's going on with the Leo? Yes, what's going on? Like, today is like one of my, like, very bad hair day. I just cannot. It's not like going up with my face right now. Facial features and all. Okay, it's okay, it doesn't matter. My people just really like my readings and just they don't care about many things. They just see me as a very beautiful personality over like of course when the people actually tries to love you, they just don't care like what's your appearance, what's this and that. They just love you from within yourself, from your work you do, from the um like I can say from the affirmation, from the I can say the vibes you provide them, and that's the most important thing over here. This is like just a normal thing. Even if you do a lot of surgeries and all, that's not gonna be with you at some point of time. It's gonna be like faded, like nothing stays forever, but a good heart with a good vibe stays forever, and that's where you find your future. Even when I was like small, I just was like, I just want this, I just want that, but that doesn't have a future enough. And right now I'm at that stage that if it's meant for me, it is for me. I just don't try to chase. I just give a sort of like energies that it's okay, you can, but if it's not meant for me, I just leave that thing. Yes, I've learned in this years. Yes, there was even a time when I was like quite young. Even I'm young right now, but when I was like too young, I used to chase up many things, but it's okay. Everything comes back to me again in my life at certain moment of time. Never mind. Okay, chalo, we'll see the Leo energies. What's going on? Most probably the Leo. Well, currently it's a Leo month going on. Yes. No, tomorrow, I guess on 22nd, if I'm not wrong. Yes, I'm checking the date. It's gonna end on the 22nd, like 2 days later. 2 day later. Yeah, kind of. Okay, chalo, what's going on? Wow, I really got some good cards for us. Like what was actually going on? You were feeling a lot of abundance and you were like, if it's not serving me, I'm just letting go. Again, I got a mature energy over here. Like you just want to be noticed. You are not that sort of person. Like you're gonna put some efforts, you're gonna put up everything which is coming, even if you'll put your ego aside. Ego, I don't even feel like there is an ego over here, but you have learned something that it's not serving for you, it's not for you, because you already have a lot of stuffs going on in your life. You have actually very good stuffs going in your life, sorry, because this Leo month was actually good for all the Leo signs. Well, it also differs, sorry. I got a card of innocence also, yes, and existence. Most probably, we guys have actually developed a lot of spiritual energies this day because of the Lionsgate portal also going on. It was like, of course, Lionsgate, Lion, a Leo sign again. So yes, we are most probably a fire sign. So yeah, most probably I can feel that you are even staying alone at certain moment of time, but you are like enough for yourself. Okay, I'm done, I'm enough for myself. You have actually developed some lion energies also. You don't want, you're just a king, you're just a queen of the jungle. You don't want anything, and that's a very good sign. You are not even that depressed. You are like going to a good time. It if it was like for you, okay, if you're coming, okay, I'm fine. If some opportunities is coming, I'm like fine, I'll search for some good opportunities. If it's meant for me, I'll just work for you. You're not grudging of something. Yeah, that's very good. So now let's see what's coming up from 21 August to 31 August 2025 for the Leo sign. Yes, what's coming up new for you? Transformation, new beginnings. yet you are feeling very much exhausted from inside. And the most probably I can say about your love life, you're gonna have some good traveling, you're gonna meet the personality you are with them right now, if your relationship is a long distance. Because serious, it's I just seriously I got the same card. Yeah, even it applies for on myself also. I don't know, but yeah, you actually are right now. Your Sahasra chakra is working very fine these days. Yes, Sahasra. It's like a transformation phase going on, and I can genuinely feel that right now your love life is gonna have a very good starting. Yes, like if you're having a crush, if you're having a relationship, if you're married, it's gonna be like working up in your favor. Whatever you were thinking about, it's like about to change up in your life. Yes, that's a very good card for you. And new beginnings, I got card of rightness. So like, yes, a new beginning card for everyone over here, Leo. New beginning, let's see what's its new beginning is about, what this new beginning is about. Yes, let's see. I'm like much happy because this is my sign, so it's like I'm reading for myself also right now. Yes, because it's a general reading, so of course. Okay, so some stuffs are like slow right now and it will go a bit slow, but it's like in healing phase. Yes, I got some cards for healing. It's like an healing phase going on. And yes, again I got a card for new beginnings and all. And you will be also like healing from yourself, from your situations right now, even if it's like in your job, in your personal life, in your career. If the process can be slow, and it is gonna be slow, but if you can't see the healing process, that doesn't mean it is not healing. Everything is healing, but just you have to accept it. Yes, and many things are like coming up to you. Yes, it's really a good card. What's coming up for the Leo? Yes, participation. Yes, you're gonna participate in many good things in your life. You have actually started. Participation doesn't mean you have to be like in a competition or something like that. Participation also belongs to everything. Like you are not talking to that person, you'll start to talk with that person. Just an example, just don't apply it anywhere. Just it was an example. So most probably you're trying to engage yourself into many things. If you felt that relationship was not working, you will try to invest your time and it will start to work. Yes, it's a very good card, but don't force, and you're gonna when gonna do force work. And also, what's the guidance for the Leo? What's the guidance for Leo? Forgiving and learning. Wow. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. You're releasing and release up all the negative energies. So, and even I got a card of wedding. This situation involves marriage. It's not also a marriage, but yes, when it comes about to marriage, then it's a new beginning. It's a very good path in your love life, most probably. Yes, it's a very good card for your love life. So just release up and heal yourself, and which you're actually doing, and which even universe is doing up for you. So a very good beginning. Yeah, new beginnings, like many zodiac signs are having some new beginnings because of the planetary shifts going on right now. So it's a very good card for Leo. New beginnings are up for you. Just release and forgive and try to learn. If this personality has given you some trouble or trauma, just try to forgive and just leave, and just try to learn something, that you don't have to repeat such mistakes again. Mistakes are never being like, if you repeat the mistake again and again, then that's the fault. But but it doesn't matter at some moment of the time. It doesn't matter, because universe works equally for everyone. So yes, it's a very good card again. Thank you so much for this wonderful reading. Thank you so much, universe, for this. Literally, it was like one of the best readings I can ever have. Yes, for myself also. Experience. Just really need to experience and glow up. This is your phase. Go and have some cleanup. Drag yourself directly to the gym. Do some good stuff, and because this is a, I can say, a blessing time going on. Trying to invest it in a good work. Yes, invest in a good work. Yes, invest yourself, invest in yourself, sorry, invest in yourself. You can have a meditation, you can guys have a, I can say, a lot of scripting work and all. Yes, because right now everything is going actually working in your favor for some signs, zodiac sign, but universe is like working. Universe is just like working up for everyone over here. So thank you so much. I hope this reading resonates with you all, guys. Thank you. Appreciate it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for like future videos, and just I'll be back with some new topics every day. Thank you so much. Thank you.